My dear friends, I welcome you all in the second lecture of my advertising management subject. Here again, I'm going to give you the basics of the advertising management. As I discussed in the last lecture, why we talk about advertising, why we study about, why we talk about advertising management. So we know that now in present scenario we are in, the competitive world, and it is a great concern for companies to live up to the expectation of the consumers, right? And if I talk about the expectations that customers having the the unlimited expectations could be in the form of product specification, expectations could be in the form of the promotional strategy, expectations could be in the form of the promotional offers, sales promotional offers which company provides. So consumer having a wide expectations, and whatever expectations are company want to fulfill, advertising is again the one of the important way to tell regarding the fulfillment of the the expectations. So when we talk about the advertising, basically in advertising it is very very important for a company to to understand you know to understand the psychology of the customer. Because until and unless a marketer understand the psychology, marketer cannot make changes in the advertisement, because advertisement is all about making information, giving information to the customers. So from where I will how I will give the information, from where I will collect the information, and the best way is you understand the psychology of the customer. So once you understand the psychology, you can adapt a suitable promotional strategy according to the needs and expectation of the customer. And remember, if you cannot do the same, then you would be out of the race. You would lose your market share. So so when we talk about the advertising having a very important role in terms of the understanding the psychology. Why understanding the psychology? Because once you understand the psychology, only then you can make changes in your promotional programs, and only then the customer could understand whatever my needs are, whatever my expectations are. Now with the help of advertisement, both are matching. So if I talk about the objectives of advertising, so basically in general, in layman's language, we say the objectives are MRPI. M stands for modifying the behavior, R stands for reminding customers, P stands for persuading customers, and I inform for informing customers. So in terms of the objectives of the advertising management, it is very very important that the customers that the marketer know the four different aspects in terms of the customers. And the four different aspects are the modification in the buying behavior, the persuading, the reminding, and the informing. So we will discuss the same in detail in our next lecture. Thank you very much.